little sweaty, hard working. Working hard.
Woo! Hi, it's Mr.G. We're at Bergen Community College. Kevin's about to run the lathe.
What's up?
Okay. Just taking a very small amount.
So I'm going to be going...
Go slow.
Yeah. I'm going at 450 RPMs.
Okay.
Another thing too, you can add to this. Notice how I'm not using this lever, like this not lever, but what do we call this?
The handle.
The handle. Notice how I'm using this, the circular motion.
Yeah.
So I more direct.
What Kev's doing is he's taking off 5/1000ths from the diameter, and then he's moving a length of a certain amount, and then he's going to check it. Here we go, we're going to check it right now. Moment of truth. Here, put this up.
Hold up, my bad.
Put this up. Okay.
It went in
I can't see that number, but what is it?
952.
952.
So that went more than right there.
No, here, look. Don't touch it, wait. That makes sense. That makes sense, look. Because you took off 0.05.
And it was 999.
It was 0.999, and you took off 50 thousandths.
Oh, this is by 10.
No, just look at it. Well, it's 50 thousandths. Look at it.
That's it, yeah. You're right.
So that's correct, except there's a margin of error.
About like 2? No.
1/1000th.
Okay.
So there was already 1/1000ths missing from the 1 inch.
Mm-hmm.
And then you took off 50, but you actually took off 49.
Yeah.
So isn't that 52?
Well, the error is 1.
Yeah, the error is 1. I don't know what we did, but we're off by 2 thousandths, but you see how it works now, right? So there you go. Alright guys, just messing around with the lathe. He's doing a practice piece, and then eventually he's gonna do this. This is his homework for Mark's process class. He's making this thing. He started to make it, but he's got some practice pieces in there. There we go. Alright Kev, what do you got to say?
That's a 1 minute video.
Alright, it's longer than 1 minute. Alright, see you later.